This is the look of my radiator. This is the oil cooler or oil radiator, and the one at the side or sides of this motorcycle is the coolant or antifreeze. This one. And on that side. Now time to prep the Evotech. Okay, so prepping this Evotech. Here it is. And I'm going to use this Loctite for some bolts, not all of it. So this is the oil radiator. This goes like this. This one is for here. This is the cylinder head guard. Okay, so this is to protect the cylinder head. I think this goes here and this goes here. So let's check out this that comes with it. And actually, I printed out the instruction. There you go. Then, so this is the part that I need to install, or I need to apply a Loctite, because this I think goes to the radiator, which is close to the engine, where vibration is unpreventable. Small amount is good. No need to put more. So I need 2 more, so 4 that I will be applying a Loctite, because this 2 goes to this 2, and that 2 that I did Loctite application goes to this 2. Now, there you go. There you go. Okay, so these are the rubber grommets or rubber spacer. These are letter D. So first I'm going to install. It says find the circle ones, because these are all honeycomb, yeah, hexagon, and find the circle one, which is this. You guys can see it. This is the circle. It's hard to see, right? But I'm going to install it now. Okay, so this is the front, and this is the one that against the radiator. So it means the rubber grommet is the thicker side should be facing the radiator. Let's find the circle. This one goes to the right side, like that. So this thicker, you guys can see it. Yeah, this thicker rubber spacer, this side, is against the radiator. Now, there's the other one there. Secure. There you go. And it should be 5. And there's one more here. Where is that? Oh, there. There you are. So just repeat the process to the other side, or to this one. And now both are done. Now this, put 4 rubber grommets, and this is the front, so the thicker part of this rubber spacer or grommets should be here, the back, facing the radiator. It only needs 4, so I found it easy to see. This is the one. There you go. And I think Evotech Performance forgot the sticker. Yeah, shout out Evotech. There you go. Everything is good. Now, the instruction manual says to remove this panel, this aluminum panel, and then to pull this a little bit to insert that radiator guard, but I think I don't need to remove that. But let's see. Now time to remove this bulb and replace it with this one. There you go. So I will be using a 13 mm for this one, and the torque spec is 10 Newton meter or 10 Newton meters. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Need to remove this. There you are. Now time to install this. And now time to install this one. So this is the one that be facing the radiator, and this should be goes like that. Time to install the bolt. Okay, so I think that's good. Repeat the process to this one. There you are. Okay, so everything is prepped and ready to install. Okay, so time to install this. So this is the right side. So if you notice, this should be like that. This goes inside. So I think I don't need to remove this. All I need is to slide this. Well, actually, it is. It will slide like that. There you go. All you need is to pull this a little bit. And there you are. So it moves up and down, left and right. Now let's do the other side. So let me show you how. Here is better, I guess. Or I'm gonna zoom it in. Like I've said, all you need is to carefully slide this in. Actually, I did it like this. Then from the top, there. See? It's just slide like that. Now make sure to wiggle it a little bit up and down and forward, and I pull and push just to make sure it sets good. The rubber grommets does its jobs to there. As long as you're aligned with these 2 bolts, I think you're good. And now time to install the oil radiator guard or oil guard. Radiator guard. There. So I need to put the bolts here and there first, as the manual says. There you are. Okay. And next is this. And let's repeat the process on that side. There you are. And time to put the bolts here. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna start here. You guys can see that. It just needs to be aligned, which is, oh, so I still can adjust it. So this that's fine. No need to tighten up too hard. I think that's good. Now I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Already done. So all I need is to tighten this up. Same process as I did on the left side.